crank this in. This is loose down here so that it can move, but everything else is tight. Now here, I will just loosen this up, then turn this in. Tighten that down. Turn it on. Speed can only go out, so that you can't break nothing. If you want it to go in, you gotta crank it in by hand. Right now we got fast speed, otherwise it's low speed. Just cleaning it up. You gotta have this locked in. You gotta have that loose. You gotta have that locked in. You have your on-off switch. You loosen this up and you can dial this in where you have automatic feed. This is the speed for the automatic feed for the rotary shaft. But keep this locked once it's set in place. These, when they're loose, you can crank this in, but you make sure you grab both of these at the same time. Pushes in or out. Once it's where you want it, it's locked in place, but this will be in when you're making another pass. You want to screw this in. Then you're going to set this loose. You're going to crank this in the desired amount. Then lock this in place. Okay? Since this is a hat rotor and not a regular disc brake or a drum, you can only do one side at a time because this gap is wide. You can turn it on. And the feed is right here. You reach over, you bring it in. That's high speed travel out. That's low speed travel out. This here spins the same all the time. The speed of the rotation is where you have your belt. Different pulleys, different speed. All right? If you ever have any problem with this thing not engaging, unwind it, pull it out, push it all the way in, wind it in, and then try your speed. It should engage. This here is left-hand threads. Make sure everything here is tight and solid, double checked. And there you have it. Good Guys Winning Beat, check it out. USA1RacingOil.com is our sponsor. USA1RacingOil.com. Check it out for all your needs. Just punch in the vehicle and it'll show you everything needed and how many quarts it takes. Engine oil, transmission oil, differential oil. This here is the diesel heavy duty, the 5W40. It's 4 times normal wear than OM motor oil. And also, don't forget for Christmas, we got firearm cleaner. So check it out. look it up at USA1RacingOil.com. So check it out on USA1RacingOil.com. AMSOIL.